Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the home mentoring session of accountancy. Myself, C.S.K. Khanna from the SD Vidya School, Ambala, Kent. Dear students, today we will start the last lesson of your syllabus that is associated with the computerized accounting. As you see here, the title of the lesson is Introduction to Computerized Accounting. Dear students, you all know nowadays there is the time of digital accounting, and with reference to the digital accounting, the basis is computerized accounting. Now, practically what computerized accounting is, what is the role of computer in accounting is, how the computer makes the accounting easy, what are the different type of the softwares which are used for accounting, and how computer helps in accounting. All these areas we will study in this lesson. So today in this video, I will share with you to the basics of computerized accounting. But prior to that, we must know what a computer is, what are the features of a computer is, what are the advantages of a computer is. Dear students, I know from your primary classes, you had started using the computer and you had also learned the theoretical aspect relating to computer. Let's quickly recapitulate all those things. Now, first of all, what a computer is. I hope it is not required to explain this, but simply for your recall and for revision, we say computer is an electronic device which calculates, compares, modifies, stores and retrieves facts and figures, is being widely used in the field of accounting. Practically what computer is, very simply it is an electronic device. What it does, it calculates, it compares, it modifies, it stores and retrieves facts, means it can recall the facts and information, facts and figures as and when we required, and has the wide use in the field of accounting. Now we all know that computer is a very important electronic device, and it is not only used in the field of accounting, but nowadays it is used in every field of our life, and sometimes we see that it is difficult without the working of this very miraculous instrument. So computer is an electronic device and it is widely used in our subjects for various purposes. Now, what are the important applications of computers in accounting? Dear students, computer has made our life very easy, and specifically our professional life is also being affected by the applications of computer. Computer is very practically used in the various aspects of accounting. What those are? Starting from the recording of the business transactions, preparation of the various ledger accounts, processing the payroll information, preparation of trial balance, preparation of final accounts. If you recall all these application areas, you would find there that starting from what accounting is, that is the first step from recording of the transaction till to the preparation of final accounts, computer is used. Nowadays, you also know with the application of artificial intelligence, AI, computer is also being able to take the decisions and also applicable in the field of accounting. So what are the major application computers in accounting? Recording of all basic transactions, their classification, their summarization, and direct posting to the various ledger accounts. Just you have to enter the basic journal entries, that is the recording of transaction, and automatically it takes to the respective accounts and also helps us to prepare the final accounts. It also processes the payroll information. Payroll information here means the information which is relating to the preparation of the wages and salary sheets of the staff. That is, you could say, the compensation details which is given to the employees drafted through the computer. It also helps in the preparation of trial balance directly from the very first step, and also help in the preparation of the final accounts. Now, practically, computerized accounting system is what? It means the use and application of computer in the various parts, various subparts, and various components of accounting is known as the computerized accounting system or computerized accounting environment, in which the computer is used for the various purposes with reference to the accounting. A computerized accounting system is that accounting information system that help in processing the financial transactions and even events as per the GAAP and leads to the generation of reports as per the requirement of the users. We all know that there are the various parties or users of the accounting information, and a computerized accounting system provide the various types of the reports as per the GAAP, means generally accepted accounting principles, or as per the accounting standards which are applicable to that particular segment, and generate various types of the reports which are required by the variety of the users. That is for the employers, for the management, for the investors, for the shareholders, for the employees, for the customers, for the competitors. Means there are so many users of the accounting, and computerized accounting system generate various reports which are based upon the various generally accepted accounting principles, that is GAAP, as well as the accounting standard which applicable to that particular concern or entity. An accounting system, whether manual or computerized, has two parameters. First, it has to follow the well-defined concepts such as accounting principles. As we all know that accounting is based upon the certain basic accounting principles. Same way, the computerized accounting system is also based upon various accounting principles. And secondly, it has to maintain the user-defined structure for maintenance of records and generation of reports. What it means? That various types of the reports which are required, and the maintenance of record is to be done as per the requirement of the various types of the users and their need. So, computerized accounting system means that system which applies the computer and the technology for the preparation of various reports and up-to-date maintenance of accounting systems in an organization. So, once again, we will understand through this important lecture that what we learn in this computerized accounting system, that is meaning of computerized accounting, traditional versus manual system of accounting. Traditional means the system which is done manually, which is done without the help of the computer. Process of computerized accounting system, that what are the steps is to be followed in the computerized accounting system. Difference between manual accounting system and the computerized accounting system. What are the advantages and disadvantages of computerized accounting? Process steps in the computerized financial accounting system. Advantages of the computerized financial system, accounting system. Various components of a computerized financial accounting system. So under this lecture, we will cover all these important aspects, and they are the part of your syllabus. Starting from the meaning of computerized accounting, we all know traditional and manual system of accounting means the old system which is done and followed by the persons or accountants, and which is done manually, that is without the help of the computer. And what is done in that? We record the transactions, we classify them, we process them, that is summarize them, and finally we prepare the financial statement here. Same way under the computerized accounting system, steps remain same, but practically you know that we will have the use of computer in all these important steps, and the computer under the computerized accounting system, just you have to do the data and instructions, that is recording of the transactions, and rest all thing, that is the classification, that is summarization, posting to the various ledger accounts, drawing of the trial balance, preparation of the financial statements, and getting the financial results, that is the gross profit, net profit, balance sheet, assets and liabilities, that is done by the computer itself. I will continue in my next video the other aspects relating to the computerized accounting.